Hey y'all, so in today's video we're going to talk about feather sticks, how to make them, and why you should make some. So first off, in Morris Kahansky's book called Bushcraft, he talks about how they should be the length of your fingertip to your elbow. This is a little bit small, but this will do just fine, and about thumb thickness. A couple of different options you have would be pine, as long as there's not a lot of knots in them, and also another good type is aspen. This is the third simple knife project that Dave Canterbury did in his video. I'll put the link in the description down below for his video, as well as the first and second knife projects playlist down below. Also, Morris Kahansky talked about how you should make about 6 of these, and instead of doing a teepee fashion, what you'd want to do is lean it against the log, have them face down, clumped up together. That way it makes it a lot easier. It's a very simple project. What you want is make sure that the grain is straight. There's different options that you can make, how to make these. One is you can do a straight cut, or if you cut into the wood, it does the curls one way, and you tilt the blade the opposite way, and you shave it, it does curls the opposite or the other way. And hope you all enjoy this video. Stay safe, enjoy the woods.